Well, greetings, world, and greetings, Seven Spot. Boy, do we have a treat for you today. It's Jim here at Seven Spot Studio in brilliant Vancouver, British Columbia, where it's now 6:35 in the morning, and where we're broadcasting from is the Classic Motor Show from the National Exhibition Center in Birmingham. And I am so pleased to bring in our good friends. I'll take myself out of the picture here. We've got Paul and Jack and John and Wendy Freeman. So, hi guys, how's everyone doing in Birmingham?
Well, very good. Yeah, good. You?
Very good.
Doing great. Great. Now I have to say that we're going to be joined by another show host, our good friend John Minion, and he's having a little bit of technical difficulties, and we apologize. That's why you have to look at my face right now. I'm supposed to be just operating the studio, but I think he's about to join us right now. So, hello, John. Greetings, John.
Hi guys, you're right. Can you hear me all right now?
Paul, can you tell us a bit about what you're doing and who you represent? I think it's something to do with MiniKits. Tell us what MiniKits is.
Well, MiniKits was originally just a bunch of people on the internet, and we got into obviously mini-based kit cars, and we just decided to take them mainstream and show them because they're unusual. You don't see them every day, and that calls attention. So that's basically what we do, how we form the club, and just show them. Well, basically, all the cars are based from the original Mini.
Yeah,
and
that's what
fiberglass bodies put onto them, and there's that many kits you could buy in the UK back in the 60s, 70s, well, and early 80s. And you just don't see them anymore.
Yeah, and I believe you own one of those as well, and yours is a bit different, as I understand. Tell us about yours.
Well, I own a few, to be fair with you. The Safari 6 behind me is a Stimson Safari 6 from 71 to 73. They only ever made 20 of them, and there's probably 5 left. There is actually one living in the USA, and has been there since 2000, which is probably, well, it will be the only one in the in the States.
And
camera.
That one has how many of wheels does yours have?
It has 6 wheels. Well, 7 if you count the spare.
That's great.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I don't suppose
it's terrible.
8 if you include the steering wheel.
Oh, very good.
It's terrible buying tyres.
No, I don't know.
So I'm going to put this
Craig,
back to driver wire.
I'm going
to the driver wire motor.
Yeah. I don't know if you have the ability, or Craig has the ability to turn the camera around. Is there any way we can take a peek at it?
Mike Longman.
Yeah, can you turn the camera to there?
So I've
just from there. Can you see it?
Ah, there we go. Is that the red one back there? Is yours?
Yeah, that's the red one. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. And it's got 6 wheels, so there's 2 on the front and then 2 on the rear. Are our dumb question from a Canadian? If the drive wheels are on front, or are the drive wheels on the rear?
Yep. The drive wheels are on the front. Basically, it's a mini front subframe.
Yeah.
Front wheel drive, obviously, and the back are just trailing. Axles.
Cool.
It's brakes on all 6 wheels as well.
Yeah.
And brake on the middle because of UK law. But yeah.
That's very, very
far
cool.
and few between.
Very, 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 very cool. So, yeah.
There is so much to see. I don't know if I'm putting the camera in the right place or not.
I think you're doing a great job. Don't worry.
Okay, so we have the MiniKit stand here. Hi guys. Yay. And this is a terrific stand. No wonder they won it last year. And, the year before, I think you came second the year before, didn't you? The stand itself, you won last year, but you came second the year before. Is that correct?
Is this MiniKits?
This is the MiniKit stand.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a different angle.
I believe they did, and because I just got a notification from Craig. And
There we
Paul.
go. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that is so cool.
Is this what? Let's just have a look, see what we've got.
Look at that. You get to look at yourselves, guys. Look at that. That is wonderful.
That's
Is
tilted
Craig
slightly?
If Craig is there,
Yeah, Craig's here.
yeah. Why don't you let him? Hey, hi, Craig. How you doing? That's great.
Do you want me to pass you over the headphones? And then you can have a chat with Craig.
That would, or to Paul, and he can just talk about the.
This is great. This is great. Great filming. This is.
Yeah, this is the beauty.
Let me just pass over so someone can hold the rest of the equipment.
Yeah, this is the part where I jump in and try to save the day.
No, Jim, this is half the fun. This is what it's all about, being live.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. I'm almost there.
Yeah, there we go. I'm going to bring you into in here. 1 sec. And
Okay.
there we go. How are you doing?
Right. Yeah, not too bad. Thank you very much. Yourselves?
I'm doing great. Let's see now. Where are we at, Jack? Yes, there we go. There. Changing camera. I just changed camera.
Yes.
So,
okay. I'm live.
I mean,
I'm live.
You're
people.
live. What would you like to take the mic and have a chat with Nick, or sorry, with Paul about the stand winning the award last year? That's just too wonderful.
Okay. So
Well,
I'm like live action presenter.
you can be the interpreter. I'll chat to you, and as you're talking to Paul, just move the microphone over in his general direction. How's that?
Okay. Yeah. Well. Okay. Well.
Tell us about your participation last year, and the award.
Yes. Right. I'm just turning around. So Paul, you're in shot now because I've got to do a live interview with you. Okay. Right. Initially, participation for myself was I took over from Dave Avis, who was the main part of the actual group themselves. I was able to get us into the NEC, and he gave me the handshake to sort of hand over to him, for him to hand over to me to sort of take on his role while his health isn't very good. And basically, we were about to come back again, and unfortunately, with his passing, before that, he actually turned around to us and says, there's only one way from going from second, that's actually getting first. And we actually came in and we won the best stand on the day. And that's how we got the award itself. But so what would you like me to ask Paul while he's here?
Well, while he's here, could you, I mean, he's won an award, and we touched base on it recently. Maybe you can we'll just re-show that award and tell us about that. And I think that happened last year, or was it the year before?
The award was last year. So basically, Paul, they're just asking right now about the award we won from last year. Basically, how it all came around, how we achieved it, and stuff. So if I pass the microphone to you, I've got you hearing.
Yeah, fluke really. We just put a load of cars together which nobody had ever seen before, and obviously it baffled the judges. The judges didn't even know what half the vehicles were, and it just caused so much interest you wouldn't believe, and that's why we got nominated. That's why we come away with it.
Absolutely fabulous.
Absolutely fabulous. Simpson cars, yeah.
No, the Barry Stimson was the restoration show. No, the Barry Stimson car, the awards for them was the restoration show. Perfect. Where we brought Caroline Stimson and her family to come and see us, and they're a beautiful family. It was a much missed loss, and they came, spent time with us, and it was lovely for her to turn around to us and say that she actually left it knowing her family was bigger than what she expected.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, it was great to sort of see the boys as well, because the only thing that they've ever seen is drawings and pictures of the cars, but to see them in real life, it was a massive tearjerker for them all. It really brought their dad back into their lives again.
Wow, that's so cool. Amazing stuff.
I was
Well-
going to say, and you had the Stimson Scorcher on the Stimson Scorcher on the stand.
Yes. Oh, that's
You had
madness.
the Stimson Scorcher on the stand as well, which
The three-wheeler madness, absolute brilliant car. And how the member from MiniKits drove it all the way down from Manchester on the motorway. God knows how I did it.
Yeah.
I know Steve Hole when he did a write-up. I know Steve Hole when he did a write-up on the Stimson Scorcher. His quote was, "That's the maddest thing I've ever seen."
Yeah, I'll agree. Hands down, 5 stars all the way through.
Amazing stuff. Now, if we can, I mean, I don't know if it's available or close at hand,
Yes.
but it would be wonderful to just take a zero in on last year's award just one more time for the audience.
Okay, where'd you put the award? The award somewhere? He's going to go and get it again. As you can tell, he's like running away. It's like having Annika Rice and Trish on right now. Have you got the clue?
I'm going to, there's
This
Trevor.
is the
Look
most
at this. Switching over to Trevor's camera,
All in.
and he's on top of Paul. And
Excuse.
here we go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Wonderful stuff, guys. Thanks so much for doing that.
No problem. We're all here as one big family.
Okay, that's great. Now I'm going to switch back to Trevor one more time, and because he's doing a little bit of a walk around, if you don't mind me saying so. Is that all right with you guys?
No, you go ahead. You go with the professionalism. Off he goes. Catch him soon.
All right, cheers. Yeah, we'll be back in touch. One sec.
Yep.
Just one thing on MiniKits.
Yes.
You're going to make a big announcement this weekend.
Well, let's quickly just hang on. Let me just move the camera a second. Hopefully, we haven't got a date set just yet, but there's one thing that the MiniKits have always wanted to do, and if you can read, hang on, let's just try and get it on the screen. Can you read that sign in the far corner?
Mega
MiniKits. Size doesn't matter, sure.
Cool.
We're literally going to try and get a gathering of the largest amount of MiniKits in one place at one time.
Wow. Well, keep us
Any
involved with that.
idea when that is yet? Any idea
We
when?
are working on that.
Well, obviously.
Very well.
Yeah.
At the moment, it's still in talks right now, but we hope to probably have a date and time within the next couple of weeks. But we just want to highlight that to people out there that we are. It's something we've always wanted to do. We've just got to try and find the right area, right zone. And as you can tell, most of these cars don't have roofs, so we need to try and keep it dry if we can.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Brilliant idea.
Yes. So
well,
I'll let you go. I'll let you go to Trevor.
All right, I'm going to pass this over to Trevor. Put Trevor on screen.